Good morning, everybody. This is Steve Monday, Chief Forecaster for Rowan County Weather. Just wanted to give you a quick weather update. So you're going to hear a lot of talk today about the chance for severe weather around the county and around the area this evening. And that is certainly a possibility around the area. I think around the county, we may get lucky enough to kind of dodge a bullet here with this one. Let's take a look, first of all, at the current radar and how things are looking. And we'll get that pulled up for you. So there you see, there is rain off to the eastern part of the state that has moved through during the overnight hours, and a big swath of rain up toward the Kentucky, West Virginia, Ohio Valley area that's going on right now. And we'll continue to keep an eye on that as that system begins to move throughout the afternoon hours, and that will certainly move into our area as we head into the afternoon and evening hours. Let's go ahead and take a look at what the Severe Storms Prediction Center is calling for us and get that pulled up here. So there you see Rowan County, of course, right here. And with that, we have a marginal risk for severe weather off to our west and to our south. In that yellow, that is a slight risk for severe weather. So a little bit of an upgrade there. Now, to be honest with you, I think this is a little bit overstated right now, just looking at the model data, and we'll talk about that. So let's get that pulled up for you. So this that you're seeing right here is just kind of a Futurecast, if you will, with the models on when rain will be moving through. This is 4 p.m. this afternoon. And as you see, some spotty showers off to our west. Now let's go ahead and advance to 5. You see some of those isolated spotty showers starting to move into the county. By 6 p.m., still some more isolated spotty showers moving through ahead of the main line of storms that you can now see moving into the foothills and eastern portions of the mountains here in North Carolina. And then by 7 p.m., the chance for severe weather is going to be around the county. But again, I think that's going to be more focused to our south, and we'll talk about that in just a moment. By 8 p.m., that line is starting to move through the central part of the county. By 9 p.m., some areas in the southern portions of the county and the eastern portion still dealing with it. By 10 p.m., things get a little bit spotty on the back end of the line as it moves through. Still some spotty showers and possibly a thunderstorm at 11 p.m. By midnight, just a few more isolated showers, and everything's gone by 1 a.m. So let me back that up again. We'll get back to 4 p.m. Because that was our starting point with the rain. And I'll show you a couple of other things here as to why I don't think we're going to be seeing severe weather. At least if we do see it, it's going to be very limited. So this is the significant tornado parameter. And if you look, Rowan County right here, we have nothing going on at 4 p.m. Everything is off to our west and to our south. As we move through the evening, again, all that activity continues to show to our west and to our south as it begins to diminish and pull out, moving to the southeast. So we'll get back to the 4 p.m. hour, and we'll take a look at the supercell composite. And it's going to be the same way. Now, supercells, if you ask what are those are the storms that get 30, 40, 50,000 feet into the air, and those have the chance for frequent lightning, damaging winds, and hail as well. Not saying that we won't have an opportunity to get that kind of storm tonight, but I think our chances are going to be really, really limited on this. So again, as we move through the evening hours into the overnight, that supercell composite, again, everything stays to our west and to our south. So again, keeping things at a minimal for us, almost non-existent, to be quite honest with you. Surface cape, that is the thunderstorm fuel. That's what gets storms really firing and going. Again, you see the same picture here, everything west and south. As we move through the evening hours and into the overnight, that continues to remain the same. Everything continues to stay to the south and to the west. Let's go ahead and get that back to 4 p.m. now and take a look at one more thing here, and that would be the damaging winds, the surface winds. Now, these are the wind gusts. Again, you see really hardly anything in Rowan County at 4 p.m. As we move through the evening, you do see a little bit of gusting going on to around 11 miles per hour. I'd say, with that you're probably looking 10 to 15 mile per hour range, because the models are going to just throw out a number inside of a range. They're not going to hit it exactly, but they're going to give you an idea of what you could see. So as we move again into the evening hours, all that those strong wind gusts, everything continues to stay to our south and to our west. You do see a couple of spikes that come through the county by the early morning hours on Wednesday. But again, all the damaging wind continues to remain off to our south and to our west. So that's where we stand again. And I don't really have a concern that we're going to see severe weather. I'm not going to say that we can't, but my concern is very low. It's very low that we'll see severe weather with this system. I'll, of course, continue to keep you updated right here at our website, rowancountyweather.com, on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and provide you with updates throughout the day and evening. If we do see severe weather, let me give you a quick timeline on that. If we do see it, again, the threat's really low. It would be between 6 p.m. and midnight this evening. But as always, I'll keep you updated. Thank you for following Rowan County Weather, and enjoy the rest of your Tuesday.